I definitely feel Katrina is extremely hardworking and Vicky Kaushal has a natural swag. Choreographers के बारे में बात नहीं करते आजकल लोग, but now we are glorified technicians. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. It's always a team effort. It's not that I have to dance all the time to create that. Some comments came here. Vicky has nailed it. He's better than you, and you know, says obviously he has to be better than me. That's the reason why he is what he is. There's a story where Auntie Ji got a Filmfare award and Chikni Chameli didn't get the
Yeah.
and Katrina thought that I'd paid money. Pritam always changes his music. He thinks that नहीं क्या है music तो change होता रहेगा. I was like ऐसे कैसे change कर दिया?
रीना के साथ हैं, साथ में बॉस्को मार्टिस. बॉस्को इज द बॉस. जब आप पैदा हुए, द फर्स्ट वर्ड्स आर नॉट मम्मी पापा, इट वाज 5 6 7 8.
Not at all. Not at all. In fact,
Like
when I
doctor 5 6 7 8.
yeah, no, nice. But हुआ क्या? I think as I grew up, I used to do a lot of Ganpati dancing, street पे ना मस्त
Hot.
कच्ची बजा
Of
ढोल वाले
course,
लोग के
of
साथ
course.
ऐसे. And between 4 to 14, like I remember, I was so shy. I stopped dancing. I'm a Catholic, and they would make me do jive and stuff, and I didn't know how to do jive, and I was like really nervous. Every time I would go for a Catholic wedding, I would hide in one corner because they would feel कि यार ये dance क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? And you know, is he like why does he not move? And at some point of time, football came in my life, and I kind of just became a sportsman, like a sports person, and that really got a lot of confidence. And then I saw Caesar dancing. When I saw Caesar dancing, I felt I want to dance like Caesar, and that's when my germ of dancing started. And parallel, I was doing athletics. I was a sportsman, but when dancing came into the picture, I was playing sound for them. Like वो साउंड वाला रहता ना कि रिवाइंड फॉरवर्ड करते, तो I because they were not taking me, I wasn't so good. And वो किया, मैंने देखा सीजर को डांस. I just aped Caesar. Like I just saw his moves and I felt damn glorified कि यार ये क्या डांस करता है, and I want to dance like him. And that's how I think the team came together as Bosco Caesar, and from there on our journey has been beautiful. And yeah, dancing has just become it's just become an identity now for us.
Yeah. Also muscle memory, I'm sure. हमेशा ना, चाहे हम एक्टर्स की बात करें, हीरोइन हीरो के बीच में ऐसा कभी ऐसा ये रहता है कि ओ उसका चक्कर, उसके कोरियोग्राफर्स के बीच में कभी ऐसा नहीं होता है क्या?
About
चक्कर
हम लोग चक्कर ही है. चक्कर ही खाते रहते हैं.
कभी ऐसा मैंने सुना नहीं है. फारा is dating Bosco, or you know Vaibhavi is dating Caesar or something like that. How is this? Or you guys are really secretive amongst each other? क्या हम लोग 5 6 7 8 एक दूसरे के बीच में करेंगे?
I think so, ऐसा होता रहेगा. But no, I think choreographers are more like कि मैं बताता हूँ उसको better गाना कैसे करें. So I feel that वो अच्छा है.
That's
that
the competitiveness.
is very good, because then how does one drive you?
Yeah.
So somewhere the love filters out and you feel कि अब मैं इसको बताता हूँ कि you're playing a match against her. So then I don't know, that love comes or it doesn't.
It's all about sports for you. It's all above everything.
I think it's all about, like, to get attracted. I think you'll have to kill that image and then kind of get into that space.
But you never like thought of, oh my God, what step she's done in this song? Yeah, this
I think
Farah, wow, I think I want to take her on a date or
So
something.
Farah ma'am, I can't, because I started dancing. Farah ma'am.
अरे ageism is nothing. We are not talking about those concepts. If you had to take हमारे किसी कोरियोग्राफर को डेट पे, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक गाने में इतना तोड़फाड़ किया है, कौन होता वो?
I think Vaibhavi for sure.
मंडे को वैभवी,
Tuesday would be Vaibhavi के मम्मी डैडी जो आके
पे लेंगे.
कि अच्छा डांस करना है.
अच्छा.
So I think Vaibhavi has done some really cool like good work, what I see of.
Yeah.
And inspiring again, because she's not traditional. She really pushes the bar. She makes songs look different, and that's what's inspirational.
Any song of Vaibhavi that you think, I wish I could have gotten that?
I loved Kamli. I just loved Kamli. I think it was a great association between a choreographer and an actor. I think everything just came together.
Yeah.
Kamli was fantastic, and Katrina has performed like a dream.
कभी ऐसा किया है कि बेशरम रंग देखा है, Vaibhavi has done that, and you're trying Deepika's step with the thing and on the floor and
Not really. Not really.
pushing
I would rather do Jhume Jo Pathaan.
गुड राइट बॉस को बहुत 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 शुक्रिया कि आप हमारे स्टूडियोज में आए, आपने हमें ट्यूटोरियल दिया, आपने अपना समय निकाला, आपकी पूरी टीम ने हमारे नॉन डांसर्स जो लिसनर्स हैं उनके साथ में भी यू डेल्ट विद देम पेशेंटली. हु वाज बेटर, विकी कौशल और द लिसनर्स ऑफ मिर्ची?
Wow. Wow.
Who's a
Vicky
better
Kaushal,
student?
because he made the listeners dance to his tunes. I
Ah,
guess.
yeah, boring.
But yeah, the listeners came for me.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
that's true.
I feel that that's beautiful, and
Yeah.
I got a one-on-one with them,
Ji.
so you know the energy that flows, right?
Yeah.
And it had to be the medium. Vicky Kaushal had to be the medium because. जब एक स्टार डांस करता है एंड द होल नेशन सेलिब्रेट्स एंड विकी कौशल इज सेलिब्रेटेड सो मच एंड यू नो इट्स अ डिफरेंट विकी कौशल दैट यू सी एंड दैट्स ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज आई थिंक वी ऑल टेक दैट ग्लोरी एंड वी ऑल टेक सक्सेस इन व्हाट हैज हैपेंड एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल.
आई थिंक कटरीना का जो प्यार है वो रीइग्नाइट हुआ है इस गाने के
फुल
बाद.
पावर. Full power.
If after 9 months we have a happy news, it's because of Tauba Tauba.
I guess it was Katrina's birthday yesterday.
Yes.
I think that's the best gift Vicky could give her is Tauba Tauba, the move.
Let's start with the controversy. Vicky or Katrina, who's a better dancer?
Wow. That's a good one, yeah. आज मुझे लगता है you are cornering me in a good way. I definitely feel Katrina is extremely hardworking, and she's worked her way through without any being diplomatic or whatever. But she's extremely hardworking, and Vicky Kaushal has a natural swag because you can't inherit some moves that I will teach him, but the way he kind of projects it, you have to have a natural swag. So I think that he's got a natural swag, and Katrina is a hardworking lady who comes across as a phenomenal dancer when she does, and you can't take your eyes off her.
Definitely not.
Fabulous.
थोड़ा सा पर्सनल लाइफ में जाते हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो, जो स्कार है आपके राइट आईब्रो पे,
हाँ,
ये हॉट्स दिखने के लिए?
ये अब मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. बहुत मेहनत लगती है इसको. बाबर को बोला है ठीक से करना, वो दिखना चाहिए, विजिबल रहना चाहिए, ऐसा लगना
stitches है
चाहिए. नहीं, ये मेरा स्वैग है. वो थोड़ा विजिबल होना चाहिए. मेक श्योर दैट इट इज देयर. तो फिर देन ही कम्स की सर मैं ब्लेड मारूं कि मैं वो रेजर से करूं या मैं वो मशीन से, मैंने जो अच्छा लगे वो कर.
भाई आपके कपड़े आप कहाँ से लेते हो, क्योंकि बहुत हॉट है. और
अच्छा
वैसे मुझे लगता है कि कोरियोग्राफर्स की स्टाइल के बारे में बेसिकली बात नहीं करते हैं, तो हम शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. इतने hot-
कोरियोग्राफर्स के बारे में बात नहीं करते आजकल लोग, बट नाउ अभी बात करने लग गए. एंड थैंक्स टू everybody, thanks to social media, thanks to this whole fraternity like you who's endorsing choreographers. They are glorifying them, and yes, the stars do talk about it, but when they talk about it, the choreographer feels damn happy. He feels like he rejoices because it is a star. A star is on that platform, and when he talks about your work, you just feel so glorified.
क्या ह्यूमिलिटी है ये, मतलब
मैं
देखो ना.
केक रखा है इसलिए मैं
इसलिए मैं हम्बल हो रहा हूँ. हम्बल होने से इसकी कैलोरीज कम नहीं होती हैं वैसे. बट कमिंग बैक टू आपकी जो जर्नी रही है, आप स्टार्स को स्टार बोलते हो. क्या कभी आपको मुश्किल होती है खुद को स्टार बुलवाने में? बिकॉज रियली देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन. रियली द ओनली थिंग इज कि हमारे पास में इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है आपकी.
I think we are glorified technicians. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I feel damn awkward to
बट वो आर्टिस्ट इज एन आर्टिस्ट ना, चाहे वो सिनेमाटोग्राफर हो या फिर कोरियोग्राफर हो.
I call myself an artist, but वो थोड़ा स्टार बोलने के लिए मेरे को थोड़ा weird लगता है. I am an artist who creates and then leaves it to the universe, and then the universe sparkles.
Any sort of preference from football to cricket, or it's?
I was a better cricketer.
Oh.
But I got into football because we come from a lower middle class family where bat, gloves, pads, all these things are expensive.
Can you imagine?
And I remember I went for to get selected, and I wore grey tracksuit. I thought that was the best thing. Mom had got me Nike ka grey tracksuit, bada mazedar. And then they said everybody who is not in whites come on one side. मुझे तो लगा मैं ऑलराउंडर, मैं ऐसे क्रिकेट, बॉलिंग, बैटिंग सब करता हूँ. सो ऐसा चल मे बी विल गेट अ चांस की ऐसा. सो द वंस हु वेयरिंग व्हाइट्स विल स्टे, द रेस्ट ऑफ देम विल गो बैक होम. आई सेड ओह शिट, मैंने व्हाइट पहन के आया था. एंड माय कॉलेज actually I was celebrated as a football player, so then that shift, but I just love cricket. It's a religion for me too, and I just love the way the Indian team is performing, and I believe they were doing some dance moves also, and they've done Jhume Jo Pathaan also. I think I'm penetrating into the cricketing field.
आउट ऑफ ऑल द क्रिकेटर्स किसकी बॉलिंग देख के आपको लगता है ये डांस अच्छा कर पाएगा, या किसकी बैटिंग देख के आपको लगता है, किसका फुटवर्क देख के ऐसा लगता है कि
Virat for sure.
या
Bowling, Bumrah has a peculiar style, so he can be like a trademark performer. कि ऐसा मुझे डांस करना है. तो Bumrah has this really, and he's so shy. I've done couple of ads with him,
yeah.
and he's so shy.
Yeah, man.
He's like, man, उसका पहले ही प्रोटोकॉल आ जाता है, मैं डांस नहीं करूँगा. And then because of such a sweet human he is, he understands that it's all for fun here.
Yeah. Which was the most innovative step that you think you have pulled off, और आपको लग रहा था शायद आपसे नहीं होगा?
So I'll tell you what, it's always a team effort. Sometimes one of our team members does a move which becomes our move. It becomes in the community, in our team. And maybe I can't do it, but it's our move. We create it. It's not that I have to dance all the time to create that move. So
Yeah.
every time it's a team that makes somebody. It could be my caretaker who would do a move ऐसे, and then I would say, "अरे यार क्या किया तूने?" And it is something. So dancing, right now in my world is more how to create this visual. There'll be 100 steps that will come. To choose that one step out of those 100 is something that I need to figure out whether I do it or whether any of them do it. It is, or how do we position this step and where do you position it? Suppose this hook step would have come on something else. No, and it was not on Toba Toba. Then the impact would have been different. The way it is shot and the way it is projected, the impact would have been different. So there's a lot of thought gone into that process. So that is more consuming than I dance. I live to dance. So that is it's within me. So that whole process of bringing it to the audience and making it visible, we've tried it, and I think God is kind. We've been successful right from Bang Bang to Partner to Salam Ishq, the songs that we've done.
Yeah.
So they've Das Bahane.
Yeah.
So people say inka footwork bahut hai, but Das Bahane is all about upper body. So it's just that you just leave it to the audience, let them take what they want to.
How many people on an average are tagging you every day और ये सोच रहे प्रे कर रहे कि ये बॉस्को नाम का जो चैंपियन है वो हम लोग का जो स्टोरी वो शेयर करते हैं? हाँ?
यार there are quite a few.
कुछ नंबर बता सकते? 100, 150, 300, 1000, 500?
मैं छोड़ देता हूँ उसके बाद. Like I really love the kids and some funny memes that are coming. There was one that came which was really very emotional. That I can talk about that. It was really emotional. This guy, they're twin brothers, and one met with an accident, and for about, I think he was paralyzed for about 4-5 years. And when Toba Toba came, this guy tried to do the step, and the boy, the twin brother who was paralyzed, he saw it and he had a smile on his face.
Wow.
So that was a moment which I shared, and I told Vicky, and I thought कि sometimes people maybe saying something, I don't know, making a story or something, but I felt like this can't be that, and I told him send me a picture, and he sent me a picture. It's beautiful, and I had tears in my eyes and then I sent it to Vicky and I said, Vicky yaar, and he said, sir, ho gaya. Like we don't need anybody. This is it. This is our reward, and that's it. And I think with dancing, whoever does it, if it touches people and if it brings that glory, I remember a lot of them during Jhume Jo Pathaan also sent me reels saying, we've tried this leg move and we are so happy. We've attempted it. What is important is I think they've got up from their chairs, they've attempted it, they felt glorified. And when I share or something, I do share as much as I can. They feel so, it's something else for them. They feel like कुछ स्टार बन गए वो उस
It's the best day of our life.
Yeah,
ये स्क्रीनशॉट लेके हम अपने फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप में डालते हैं.
Yeah.
अगर वो वाला जमाना होता कि हम उसका प्रिंट आउट लेके उसको अपने डोर पे वॉल पे उसका प्रिंट आउट ऐसा फ्रेम करके लगा सकते हैं, we would have done that as well.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
I mean, your humility is phenomenal. लेकिन कभी-कभी खुद को पैट एकदम मस्त ऐसा
देता हूँ मैं ऐसा दीवार से टकराता हूँ ऐसा पैट अगर वहाँ पर शोल्डर अगर फ्रोजन शोल्डर हो गया तो I do that. You're taking a
मत करो
visual
यार,
out of
मत
that.
करो. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, प्लीज मत करो.
I'm sure you're taking a visual out of that.
No, but ये जितने सारे वीडियोस जो शेयर हुए हैं, any comment or feedback which really took you by surprise, like a ha 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 kind of surprise or a shock?
Yeah.
I don't know, anything that just stuck with you?
Not stuck with me. I felt some of the comments which Vicky and me we did like a collab, and then some comments came. Vicky has nailed it. He's better than you, and you know, so obviously he has to be better than me. That's the reason why he is what he is. And this is not. And I also want to tell, because I don't want to indulge, because everybody has an opinion. But I felt कि यार एक बार मैं बोल देता हूँ मेरे जो मन में है. So I said, this is not a dance competition. I am not dancing to please. It is what we've created.
Yeah.
And this is what we are celebrating.
Yeah.
So the two of us have come to celebrate.
Yeah.
Not to compete or show कि
Yeah.
मैं बताता हूँ डांस क्या होता है. नहीं भाई, बता दिया, आप लोग करो डांस, एंजॉय करो और मजे करो इसको.
जस्ट इमेजिन ना, अगर सरोज खान के टाइम पे मतलब सोशल मीडिया होता और अचानक से सरोज खान और साथ में माधुरी दीक्षित चोली के पीछे पे डांस कर रहे हैं, तो
Unbelievable.
क्या ही मतलब.
Unbelievable.
That collab would something would be
It's
dreamy,
glory.
है ना?
It's glory. She's smiling from there, and I think I always say Saroj ma'am is Bollywood. Master Ji is Bollywood. She is the glory of Bollywood. We are की नकली ऐसे डांस ऐसे कर रहे हम लोग आए हैं, कर रहे youth, you know, all that. But she is Bollywood. You see her songs. It's unmatchable. It's, you know, there's a glory, a beauty of how she expresses every word, how she catches, you know, the beats, and beautiful.
हमारे साथ में रेडियो में क्या क्या होता है अभी जो इंटर्न्स है ना, हम लोग वैसा जेनजी को ना ऐसा
हाँ ऐसा
इंटेंशन ही नहीं
हाँ,
है,
oh,
लेजी. हाँ,
ऐसा
टाइम
क्यों हो
पे
गया?
नहीं आता है पंच.
ऐसा क्यों हो गया?
आपके साथ में ऐसा हुआ है? मतलब डू यू हैव द यंगर
I
लॉट?
don't want to educate them to that. I just, yeah, means sometimes जब now it's become like a Gen Z बोल दिया तो they feel very so they
Touchy.
I think it's a nice way of correcting their attitude. So when you call them Gen Z, they feel like ये क्या बोल रहा है, हम गाली दे दिया. But I don't know this correction, and also the whole now the reels is glorifying, but the attention span of youth is so it's now trickled down even in, like, I'm also sliding through the reels. So somewhere I think this might just get into our mental health.
Yeah.
I feel on a bigger picture. So protect yourself and dance.
बॉस्को एज बॉस्को, आप विरासत में, आप ये जो आने वाली जनरेशन है, अदरवाइज आप क्या छोड़ के, व्हाट लेगेसी, एज यू नो स्पोक अबाउट सरोज जी, एंड टच वुड यू लिव फॉर 150 years, बट लाइक इन जनरल किस चीज़ के लिए आप खुद को
माने जाओगे
और या चाहते हो कि याद रखे?
Style. I feel style, and it's a new way of presenting an actor, a new way of, a new eye of shooting a song, which is traditional is beautiful. Traditional is ever green. It can never go wrong, and it'll always be glorified. I think for the last 20 years we've tried to create a little style, a little how you present an actor, how you present a music video, because वो छप जाता है, and then वो एक बार छप जाता है, फिर वो YouTube पे आप सिर्फ उसको या तो लाइक कर सकते हो, and you can get inspired by that style. So, and I think it just didn't come to me. I worked with so many directors that you know, kind of you know, I learned from them, so they kind of powered me with their knowledge, and I just it helped me to just gain all this information and create my own world. And I think between Caesar and me, that was the whole thing of how to make songs look different, how to, and Musafir, Das Bahane, these songs became very celebrated, and that's what style came into for me.
Part of pop culture, just saying.
Yeah.
That's going to go. It's like some dialogues from Hera Pheri. Those are the kind of hook steps that you provided to us. So they are part of pop culture, which is whether or not, मतलब मेरे पापा ने मेरे लिए जो जायदाद रखी नहीं रखी, ये मुझे मिलने वाला है without me even having any legal authority to it.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of what choreographers and hook steps do to us in general life. And they're celebrated because they just generally make us very happy. कोई शादी है, किधर मैंने ऐसा घुंघरू सुन लिया है, मैं वो स्टेप करने का कोशिश करूँ ताकि मेरे को आए ना आए, और
सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो आप,
सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग अस दोज मोमेंट्स टू सेलिब्रेट. मैं आपको ना गानों के नाम देने वाली हूँ. आप जस्ट नीड टू टेल मी द टाइनी ब्रीफ स्टोरी बिहाइंड, कितना समय लगा, ऑब्जर्वेशन से आपको वो हुक स्टेप आया, या फिर यू नो यू रियली वर्कड ऑन इट, वन ऑफ योर टीम मेंबर्स हु प्रॉब्ली हेल्प्ड यू विद द स्टेप. आंटी जी,
आंटी जी वाज मी. Oh God, ये तो इसने ट्रैप ही कर लिया straight away. So आंटी जी, I really didn't want to be to see yourself on screen and then you're dancing. वो headspace ही नहीं था. But Shakun Batra is such a fraud. He kind of said, we've tried all these, and I needed a Catholic boy, and he played the Catholic card on me because the song is all about Auntie Jane and has to be like
कैथलिक लोग क्या वो लोग तो डांस करते हैं तो
हाँ तो तेरे को करना पड़ेगा. And he's like बैंड्रा जिमखाना जैसा feeling कैसे मैं करूँगा ये वो. So he got
बैंड्रा जिमखाना in itself is such a vibe. हाँ ठीक है.
So I said मैं बैंड्रा से नहीं, मैं जूस से.
अरे जूस जिमखाना is such a vibe but between Gujaratis. Anyway, yeah.
So I felt कि यार अभी करना पड़ेगा. So he was like, अच्छा Imran is also there, and then Imran and Kareena are there, so you have to. So I said, अच्छा करना क्या? He said, just start the song. So I start the song करते I just kind of. I said, don't keep. I won't be there in the entire song. I'm not used to directing, then watching yourself.
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा taxing होता है.
Yeah.
And there's one move in Auntie Ji which I love. That's my move. I just, that's something that I created and I feel proud of it. But it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. आप देखना कभी Auntie Ji get up and dance. ऐसा कुछ है. Floor work था वो. बड़ा मजा है. And there's a story where Auntie Ji got a Filmfare Award and Kala Chashma, sorry, not Kala Chashma, Chikni Chameli didn't get the Filmfare Award. And Katrina thought that I had paid money. And have you paid money? I said, why do you say that? So she was joking. And
was she?
I think so. यार इतना पैसा हमारे पास नहीं है यार.
एक तो आपसे डांस भी सिखवाया है, आपसे उसमें डांस करवाया भी है. You are actually, were you paid as an actor as well? No, not at all, right?
नहीं दिया यार.
वही तो.
नहीं दिया. Shaw. ये पकड़ना पड़ेगा मेरे को.
Hello, Shakun Batra. You are a fraud. Please
pay me for my moves and the.
But it's just a cool story क्योंकि so many people are expecting. अरे how come? How like that?
कैसा?
Yeah. कसं झालं. Yeah.
We got it.
Yeah. Nothing Nach?
Nothing Nach 100% is my song.
Yeah.
And this one is for Pritam because Pritam always changes his music. He thinks that इसमें क्या है, music तो change होता रहेगा.
Step ही तो है.
तो हमारा कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है. तो प्रीतम रात को कभी भी change करके suddenly there was a song called रंग शरबतों का. This is especially for Pritam. Please listen to this. It's out there and personal. So Pritam thinks कि गाना चलता है, डांस होता है. अरे बट गाना चलता है, डांस होता है क्योंकि एक बीट पे होता है ना. We were doing रंग शरबतों तो I've put one hip hop groove and then suddenly he's made it like a
melody.
मैं रंग शरबतों का and Shahid is dancing and grooving and I said ये क्या हो गया? Okay, the song has worked fine. We would have changed that whole vibe and made it different. There was Touch Me. Katrina has called me and said, Bosco, Pritam has changed the groove. He's got a tribal groove and I'm dancing on Touch Me. So I said, yes. Now what do I say? Because he's changed the whole groove. Yes, it does work. But then the approach could have been different, right?
Maybe he wants to give challenges to you, Bosco.
No, he's challenging himself. मैं कैसे इसको बीट करूं क्योंकि इसका डांस बेटर लग रहा है. And even Chor Bazari again he changed so many songs. Pritam has changed and he's given me a letter which I'm going to officially like put it on radio now, please.
Yeah.
So you can't see it.
No, that's fine. I will read it
out.
So
I have a written letter by Pritam saying that I promise Bosco that I will not change the groove and now he's changed it in Chandu Champion. We did a song Satyanash. He's changed the groove maze se everybody all the time, the DOP, the editor. It's like ऐसा कैसा change कर दिया. So I said ये तो प्रीतम का राज है. चलो करो.
Not even surprised anymore.
Yeah.
Galla Gudiya?
Wow, Galla Gudiya. We conceived it as one take first.
Correct.
The choreography came in later on because we had around 20. They're all there in Augie is there, Gul is there in Galla Gudiya. So they were planted so that they could give the actors their position because it was we actually shot in a very small. In the backyard of the cruise, where it's actually a staff hangout, where the staff they come and chill.
ये मड आइलैंड में हो रहा था या सच में आप लोग गए थे?
I love this question of yours. नहीं, ये हुआ एक बहुत ही फैंसी पुलमांतुर एक क्रूज शिप है, उस पे हुआ और हम लोग हमने 2 हफ्ते हम लोग वहाँ पर थे.
Nice.
Ayashi to
nice.
We are like, okay, we'll only come in the evening to
Nice.
shoot.
ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे I wanted मतलब ऐसा fingers crossed and because it's Excel and it's Zoya I thought I hope कि ये ऐसा SL World के वहाँ जाते वक्त
Not at all,
नहीं,
Zoya.
good.
Bro, that is Zoya and Excel's power. They got us. With the whole team was there.
Yeah.
We conceived the song over here. We created that whole. We created a hook step. When we presented it, I have the presentation where Priyanka and all, we all had stickers with each one's names. There were around 20 actors and 20 actors doing the same move and then trying to get them where the camera is dancing basically.
Phenomenal.
This is one song which I feel that we are not being glorified or the song has not got.
Yes.
As a song, it's got its due, but for the technique of it, I don't think so anybody really cared कि यार वो only the industry did, but as an audience is audience है, उनका power बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. And what they felt was the step, and that's what they took from it. But otherwise, the whole choreography, the way Galla Gudiya was conceived, when we went on the cruise, we had a very limited space. Otherwise, what happens is you can when you're doing on one take, you can create levels, you can create boundaries, barriers, and you can go through. So a lot of things can happen technically, but we were confined in that space, so the camera had to dance, and humans were used as props to kind of create that illusion, and it was brilliant. We got it on the first take, but when I saw the shot, and I went to Zoya and I said, Zoya, I think we should try.
One more time.
No, we should try it just before the sun sets, so you have that magica, or when the sun rises. So so it creates that. Only remained in my head. We tried for the next 3 days. We tried. We got it on the 4th day. But if you see now Galla Gudiya, that the scene is all black. She shot a scene in the cruise. But when the song comes, once the camera starts moving, you'll see a blue sky, and then it becomes black. Then it's So that's only stayed with me. So only I think and I see that. बाकी का मैं किसी को बता दूँ वो उसको दिखता ही नहीं है, बोलते हैं हो क्या रहा है, because उनको लगता है क्रोमा किया हुआ है. ठीक है.
It's a poetry that a choreographer like you boss को अगर इंसान को सोते हुए से भी उठाओ तो वो धक 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 करेगा और वो step is it's not
eternal.
भाई जितनी शादियां हुई और आपको पता है हिंदुस्तान में कितनी होती हैं.
या गल्ला गुड़िया
हर शादी में हर शादी में
होता है.
हाँ, मैं और नहीं होगा मैं जाके मारूंगी उन सबको. खैर कमिंग टू काला चश्मा.
Yo.
What is the story or observation? Some person was dancing somewhere जहाँ से आपने.
No, Kala Chashma. There is Gul who's created some moves. There's Raju. There's Augie. We've all collaborated making a universal hit. I think Kala Chashma, it came, they saw, they did it.
They conquered.
Once Quick Style, they did the same moves, they conquered.
Yeah.
But I think वो emotional attachment था, like some friends dancing for somebody's wedding, and this was it. So that quirk, the whole quirk of Kala Chashma, but they did all the moves that were created, and it just became a sensation. I remember on the first day when we were shooting Kala Chashma, the choreography was such that Katrina was wearing a lehenga, and she was like, Bosco, we were trying to figure out कि यार footwork तो दिखेगा ही नहीं,
Yeah.
तो करेगा. So one whole day, I remember Nitya and me were really upset because Katrina took 5 hours to come, but she was waiting for the costume, and that costume she just nailed it correctly with Manish. That costume just became perfect. All her moves could be seen, and then the song that she shot and the dance that she did, it is sensational.
Yeah.
Sid did his part,
Yeah.
Katrina did her part.
Yeah.
And I just feel that it became such a huge hit. We had a vibe. We had these turbans, ladies with saris and turbans. I think it was a vibe. That's what I think Bosco Caesar bring in, the style, the vibe. And it's just not, I don't think so. It's just not, it's about the dance. It's about how you present a song. So for me, that is important.
Do you ever get intimidated by an actor क्योंकि उनका डांस इतना अमेजिंग है कि मतलब
करेगा?
क्या करे अभी इसको और कैसे बेटर कर सकते हैं आदमी.
I think an actor is like sponge. आप उसको जितना आप अंदर, you don't have to think. Yes, you know that that's the actor and that's his glory and that's how he looks, but you visualize and then you see what you want him to do, and then you should. I think that comes with experience.
Sure.
And it is what it is, because sometimes you might look good doing those moves, but the actor पे नहीं जमता है.
Yeah.
So then you've got to find a way to kind of relate to that sensibility and वो एक hit and miss है. So we've been lucky. So we've been lucky because of the experience that we've had in this line. So I think it's just been there.
Sometimes does work not become play, but is work, and like you get really tired. Just seems very, very mechanical. Do you ever feel like that? In 24 सालों में कभी आपको ऐसा feeling आए कि अब आज मुझे नहीं नाचना है?
Nah. Yeah. I feel that every song I have got is my first song. And I feel that has been, there are certain things like I'd like people to know that before every song I go to Mount Mary Church and I pray to the mother, to Mother Mary, saying, please izzat rakh lena and please make sure that even if there's a situation that happens, take me out of it. Don't make me look small. So that is always my prayer to Mother. And it's happened. Like I just have to go and breathe and shut down and just visualize, come back again and it's done. So it's such a beautiful experience of me trying to know that every song that you do is your first song. Maybe you might not get the other one. Make this your best. So I just treat it that way, and also I have a team that is supporting me. I feel that I'm responsible for them, and they have their families and their so I think it's a whole so it's a source above that probably gives me that glory. It's just the Lord that makes me. I'm not trying to be this. It's just
I'm glad. Yeah, no, that's
but
fine.
that power is there. So I just hope it's there all the time.
Yeah. Bosco, does it ever occur to you before coming up with a dance step that this is going to be the next big thing? Like I have an intuition.
Never.
No.
Never. So this Saif, my cousin, he was saying, this Toba Toba, you see what it's going to do.
Yeah.
And I said, okay. Sote. Today, I think the song ka choreography is received so well. The song ka choreography has just been glorified so well. The dance moves have just come, right? And Vicky Kaushal. Everything has just popped up so in your face that the choreographer is visible. Vicky Kaushal has made it visible, and I think it's a great teamwork by everybody. Also, the DOP Santa, Manini, the production designer, Samida, the costume, the stylist, she gave Vicky the suit. It's really sexy the way he's looking. I think I went on the set a couple of times just before. I have pictures of when I went on the set, broke the set because I had a certain perspective in mind. So we had to break the set. There were budget constraints. The floor was not right, and it was a concrete floor. So I was fighting for that floor. Arey de na kuch to de, kaisa suit mein wo concrete pe dance karega, kaisa hoga. All those things came into play. And then once the song is done and once it's received, I said my line to Anand and Amrit was, boss, ye chhap jayega na, to ye chhap jayega. बस खत्म हो जाएगा फिर. Then we'll be saying अरे ये होना चाहिए था, and it's a matter of couple of whatever the amount is. So yeah, so वो अगर हुआ नहीं और होगा नहीं तो वो दिखेगा जो दिखेगा, और जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा.
Right. तौबा तौबा में in general ऐसे कोई parts थे जो ज़्यादा tough थे as opposed to जो
No.
नहीं.
No,
Everything
because
was
Vicky was
yeah.
makhan. He rehearsed. Poor fellow had 4 days to rehearse. He gave his best. Yes. The last day, just a day before, I saw his video on the third day. I saw his video and everybody was like, "Acha, ye kaisa kar raha hai Vicky dance." So like Amrit, the producer, came to me, "Usko dekhna hai isko aise kaise." So I saw Vicky dance and I just felt that he's putting everything and he's being
Best.
a great student. He's doing everything to his capacity. But I want to spend time with him. So I said, sir, aap batao kab? Because they were shooting back to back and he was also doing a certain scene. And I said, I'll spend time with you. I went, spent time. I spent about 2 hours with him. And that's where I really cracked the body language with him. And that 1 hour, I think if you ask Vicky, he'll have the same thing to say. That really made a difference. And not to glorify myself, but just the experience that I have in how an actor would, I just gave that to him.
Yeah.
And I felt that I want him to look like a man. And I want him to look like a cool guy who's, been effortless.
Yeah.
Less is more for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think that's what I gave him.
So your entire career, what changes do you think आपने देखे हैं बॉलीवुड डांस स्टाइल्स में, और कौन से वाले ट्रेंड्स आपको नहीं पसंद हैं?
मुझे ट्रेंड्स, एनी डांस कोई भी फॉर्म होगा ना, I think it's great, yeah. I don't have any problem. As in anything experimental, anything that sticks, you don't have to force that style to make it visible. It should come naturally. Trying too hard and making it desperate might just be a little too overwhelming. But today, I don't know what the audience really wants.
Yeah.
I just have to give them my best and let them breathe and let them sink and let them rejoice it. Yeah, I will never take that pressure कि कोई आके बोलेगा मुझे तौबा तौबा जैसे moves दो, तौबा तौबा जैसे moves दो, तौबा तौबा जैसा गाना दे चल. तो फिर there are too many dynamics to that. So just enjoy your work. Don't take yourself seriously. मजे करो, and this shall pass too.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ में कि आप मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, and at that time you're probably choreographing, or you were
Many
just
times.
many times
But you have to keep your that
aside.
side,
Yeah.
and your work is your religion, and
Yeah.
that's your bread and butter,
Yeah.
because that your work is your first love.
I'm just going to give you certain situations. आप मुझे actor या actress का नाम दे सकते हैं. The actor that was really a task to dance with. And अगर आप उनका नाम लेंगे तो मतलब वो mind नहीं करेंगे ऐसे.
Absolutely minding. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan is a perfectionist. To make perfection perfect is a big thing.
Yeah.
So you have to really rejoice that man, because वो है वो. Greek God है वो.
The actor that has the best perfume जब आप लोग rehearse कर रहे होते हैं.
रणबीर कपूर यार.
Yeah.
क्योंकि साला लगता है रॉयल्टी.
Yeah.
रॉयल्टी है वो.
The actor that has the best pelvic movements.
I think nobody can beat Ranveer Singh into this, because Ranveer Singh is alpha male.
Okay, the actor that does the best humkas, or the actress that does the best humkas.
The actress that does the best humka.
Yeah, both.
Oh, Katrina Kaif, yeah.
Yeah.
If you see Chikni Chameli and see Katrina Kaif, everything that she does is glorifying. Everything. As in, maaf hai usko jo bhi move kar rahi. The way she's dancing like a boy. But she's still looking so lovely. Beautiful.
The actor actress जो विसर्जन का डांस बेस्ट करते हैं मतलब.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
Bang on.
Hands down.
There's no discussion, no debate. Straight award Priyanka Chopra. Straight away.
Yeah. India is unity and diversity. इतने सारे cultures है. सारे cultures का डांस कौन ऐसा एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस है जो अपने कंधे पे एकदम without any doubt. चाहे वो लावनी हो, चाहे वो भरतनाट्यम, गोविंदा.
है ही नहीं और बना ही नहीं. Straight away. He'll do street dancer like nobody does. It's too cool.
For all the people जो अभी सुन रहे हैं, this is my last question to you. जितने listeners हैं जो बॉस्को की तरह बनना चाहते हैं बड़े होकर, क्या करें आपके कदमों पे चलने के लिए?
बस यार humble रहो, अपना काम करो, अपने आप को seriously मत लो.
लेकिन if they really want to get into the industry, what is the route that they have to take? How did you get your first break, and what should they do? मतलब networking के हिसाब से, काम के हिसाब से क्या?
Keep asking for work. You will not be small at all. I remember I took my bike. I went to Excel. I went to Dharma. I went to all these places, and I said, "Mujhe kaam chahiye." They said, "We know who you are. We will call you when the time is right." So I gave my CV and I came back. काम मांगने से आदमी छोटा नहीं होता है. Just keep asking for work, and you also have to work hard. You just can't keep asking for work and then say, अच्छा अभी काम आ गया तो ठीक है चलो. The minute you get that song, make sure that that's the last song that you're doing, and that's the best song that you're doing.
What's your favorite thing about the Barish? Mumbai ka Barish, Barish in
Mumbai
general?
looks gorgeous in the rains, yeah. There's a film that we shot, Bluff Master, and it's shot during the rains. It is so pretty. It's really gorgeous, and I love Mumbai.
That was Bosco Martis in our Mirchi Studios, and it's a huge honor on 98.3 Mirchi. So thank you so much,
Thank
Bosco.
you so much. It was lovely chatting and sharing my experience of life.